What's up, YouTube family? I'm back with another video. So guys, today I am back with some blue crabs, something that I love. I have some corn over here, small little black mussels, some sausages and some shrimp. Guys, I also have me some sauce. Oh, I forgot to put onions in it. Anyway, that's all right. I got me some sauce. It's just like a butter garlic sauce, a little bit hot sauce, you know, just hooked it up a little bit so it can taste good. Thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. This is going to be a good video. I'm going to tear these crabs up, guys. It looks so good. I also have a Canada dry ginger ale. Let's eat. I don't want to waste no time. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe, push that notification button so every time I upload a video it'll pop up on your screen. Comment down below, be my notification squad. Road to 100K, guys. Road to 100K. Tell everybody to come over and check me out. So let's get it started. So as I eat, guys, I'm going to be talking. If I don't talk too much, that means the food is good, okay? So this is for my crabs over there. So I love blue crabs. If you are a blue crab lover, comment down below. Oh my God. My sauce is kind of salty. Oh no, I put too much seasoning in there, y'all. Too much Obey or something. Dang it. I didn't even taste it. Let me see. Let me really stir it up and see what happens. It ain't bad. But guys, yes, I have on braces, so it's so hard for me to eat these crabs like I really want to. But this is definitely a seafood mukbang, period. Like, I can eat crabs every day. I can eat seafood every single day. For real. My husband gets so mad because every time he's on his way home from work, I'd be like, please pick me up some crabs. Please. I don't have no napkin. I hope nothing gets stuck in my braces. I'm gonna cry. If it gets stuck in between my braces, y'all, I ain't gonna know what to do with myself. But yes, guys, thank you so much. Ew, I don't eat that. Thank you so much for subscribing, guys. Following my I don't eat the dead man fingers and all that. I don't play that. Here we go. I don't know if y'all heard it, but I did. Whoo, ain't nothing like a nice cold ginger ale. Quench your thirst. I was raised on crabs. I was raised on seafood. Like my mom used to have, always had a bushel. I remember it like it was yesterday. And we had like seafood parties, okay? Seafood parties. And we still do that today. I mean, rest in peace to my mom, but my friends and family still gets together and do like seafood fun or whatever. It seems like my camera is light. It seems like it's bright. Like, I look so bright, y'all. I'm gonna have to fix that. It's so good. But yeah, we used to get together and it used to be like seafood crazy. Like seafood was everywhere. From everything. Like you name it, we had it. And I know some of y'all out there can relate. I'm sorry, y'all. It's so good. I know y'all can relate to the parties. Because who don't, well, if you're allergic, you can't eat it. But if you ain't allergic, what are you waiting for? Have a party. Have a seafood party. I like to have them in the summertime because we can be outside. We can be out here, and even though the bugs be around, but let me try the shrimp. But we still can party. I don't know, y'all. That is real. That is like Jesus. This one already has seasoning, so I ain't got to put it. This is potato that's cooked to mashed potato. I got a neck. All right, this is salty. What is going on? That had a shell in it. I don't want to do a lot, y'all. Oh my God. Now that's a good corn. Let me have. That wasn't too bad. We got the mussels here, y'all, which is perfect. Please thumbs this video up, guys. I would love that. I would really appreciate it. Let me get another. Let me take these off. I don't really like the black mussels. Just because they break up and they just all little pieces be everywhere. I really like the green lip mussels. But see? Only had the black ones because it came in this seafood bag. It's called a seafood boil bag. And I don't like that. I don't think I'm going to get that again. Just because it be broke up. But it's perfect for like when you don't want to buy all that stuff separate. Good. Good. Y'all want some crab? I think that was a thumbnail. I've been eating like seafood all this week. I've been doing fish after fish. But tonight, I had made this and some, well, these crabs I had last night, but I didn't eat them because we cooked dinner. So I was like, I'm going to save them for tomorrow. Then I was like, I'm going to save them to do my video. And, tonight I cooked tacos. I know it's not Taco Tuesday, but we wanted some tacos. So hello. Will, can you give me a napkin, please? Paper towel. I be so scared to bite this with my braces. I don't want to crack my braces. I just need the meat to come out smooth. Some people don't like blue crabs. They say there's too much to deal with. Oh my God. But the flavor of blue crabs is all that. That's why I like it. Let me fight for my food. Let me fight for mine, y'all, because him with his squeaky chair. God. School started. Halloween is coming up. I'm supposed to have a Halloween party. And I don't know. I'm trying to. Me and my cousin picked, like, me, my cousin, and my kids. We picked Halloween costumes out of the hat to see what was gonna be. That was the funniest day ever. Y'all hear me? I think I'm gonna record when I do have it. Like, I'm gonna record everybody's costumes. Like, it's hilarious. Hilarious. And give me some more video ideas on, like, what else should I eat? What else should I do on here? Because I am going to be doing different stuff. I mean, majority eating, but I'm going to do some other stuff too. Let me know what else. Now, I told you I have another channel that I give away wigs. If y'all want to go over there, go ahead. It's called the MD Family Channel. I should have the description. I should have the link down below. If you want to go over there and subscribe and all that good stuff and enter the giveaway and try to win a wig, that would be perfect. Oh, excuse me. I thought I dropped it on my chair. I was about to cry. These little shrimp. But one thing I can say, that seafood bag, that piece was salty. It come in handy. It's the corn for me. It's the corn. Told y'all when I stop talking, it gets good. I know y'all want some, and I do share. I definitely share. It's all caught up in my braces and everything. I'm telling y'all, is there. Little piece. Now, I would have been full if I had like Dungeness king crab. I'd have been full. And these things are meaty. Like the meat is in there. Look at all that meat. My camera is so light. It's crazy. I can tell you one thing. Y'all can see me. Ooh, excuse me. Now, I really appreciate y'all subscribing to my channel. That is big for me. So after this, I'll probably eat tacos. I don't know if I'm gonna record that. Shell try to go down my throat. I do not play that. What?
I'm about to go upstairs.
Okay. Okay. How these pieces break off? Like, what is that about? I don't like that. Good, 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 y'all. I don't think I'll be able to eat tacos. As y'all can see on my short, I had bacon. The bacon was so good. I made a whole bacon sandwich. But y'all, fall is here. Fall is here. I can't believe how fast it came in. That's hard. I can't believe how fast fall knocked on my door. I mean, the car be frosty now. I be having to wait just a little bit for it to warm up a little bit. It's ridiculous. I can't believe it. Yo, I can't mess with that one. Like my arm brace is about to pop off. Oh my god. Oh my god. Somebody comment on how many times did I just burp. How many times did I burp through this video? Some people eat raw crab. I don't think I can do that. I'm scared to eat like raw anything. If it ain't like mussels or oysters, I don't play that. I can't really eat the legs. I do not play that, y'all. You don't catch me eating no raw crab. And then I do try stuff. But not that type of stuff. Like I said, comment down below, let me know what else I should eat. What should I try? All that good stuff. Because I had a channel back in the day. But I don't know. Something went wrong with it. And that was it. I just gave up, guys. I didn't want to, but... I don't believe I have a neck. Where did you even come from? It's definitely my teeth. I probably just want to eat corn. Oh, that bowl is salty. Like, that bowl is salty. But I love you guys so much for watching me and subscribing and all that stuff. Really appreciate the love, guys. I really appreciate it. That neck is really trying. It's really trying to land on me. Where you come from?